Good morning. That's our hotel here. The Sanctuary House Hotel. With a beautiful pub inside. Nice rooms. And we are very close to end of the road there. You can already see Westminster Abbey. So perfect location for our 3 days in London. Let's go and have breakfast. Morning, morning.
Okay, is that a for breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, so one is on the buffet. Take a seat on any of them. We are going to use the table. You can have a choose one item each.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Where do we sit? Here? Oh, sorry. The Tube, St. James Park, which is the close to our hotel. And now we are going to the Tower of London. So we take the train till the St. James Park.
Nee, ja, maar die van Upminster gaat helemaal door en die van Tower Hill die stopt bij Tower Hill.
Dus je moet de andere.
En dat zit hier, die gaat langs Tower Hill.
Between the train and the
Maar dan gaat hij
platform.
door.
This is St. James's Park. This is a District Line train to Upminster. The next.
Let's
Mind
go.
the gap between the train and the platform.
Wat aan de rijdt.
And here we go. Here it is, the Tower of London. And in front of us we have Tower Bridge. It's not a sunny day, but typical, I would say typical London sky. Let's see. Nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Really cool. Really, really cool. Look at that. So cool. So we were gonna get inside this bridge, apparently. That is cool. That's really cool. Super cool. Super cool. A lot of stairs, Chiara. Whoa, that's cool. Look at that. Whoa, that's beautiful. Look at that.
It's nice when you're in those people.
Look at that.
It's tiring.
Whoa.
Welcome
Super
to
cool.
breakfast.
So,
We have to, let's take a picture.
we have a
You know,
diver.
We sent 2 soul divers in the app, no?
We have the, yeah.
Let's,
Look at that. Cool.
you want to take a picture of Kiara
Cool.
and me? Eh?
Look, Dad. Got ink on my hands.
Cool. Glass floor. Very cool. Super cool. Let's go. Now we are going to the engine room because this is an opening bridge, right? After we've been on top, now we go down below to see the engine room. And then we have to go back the other side to go to the, I think. So, whoa, this is the boilers.
This is a ruffle shower.
No, Chiara. No, they are the real ones. They're not replica. They are the original one. The original one. All the technique on how the bridge opened with steam. Ooh. That's for the coal. Elevator for the coal.
20 tons of coal.
20 tons of coal. There we go. Look at that. Whoa, that's beautiful. That's a nice machine, Chiara. Look at that. So super cool. Marvelous piece of engineering, Chiara. Look at that beautiful piece of engineering. And now we are going to the Towers of London, the historical site, one of the most famous of London after Westminster and the House of Parliament, I guess. It was a nice visit.
Yes.
Beautiful. Yeah, very nice, cool. Let's move on to the next one.